other place, arsonist would be on Hicks and Conan View. But our fields are far from anywhere. We have no magistrate, constable, and hope that everyone will take the blaze to be an act of God.
Here's the dream that I've had. Safe from vagabonds and longbows, weaving fortunes for ourselves from yarn.
These small dots here, these are your people.
We have become like animals, goat drunk and lecherous. We are no longer hungry. We're certainly not sober, at least for now.
My name's Edmund. I'm here to make improvements.
Justice law to run our lives.
If you go home, everyone will be safe. Agriculture without profit is absurd.
Your maps, they ruin lives.
This is my house, God damn it!
This is our land.